everyone, welcome to our Review Beauty channel. This is the channel about beauty brands, the encyclopedia about beauty brands. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and definitely thumbs up this video. In this video today we're talking about Zebzit. This is the 10% benzoyl peroxide gel. It's the maximum strength, and before they didn't even have the products like this strong, like 10%. It's a very small tube, but trust me, you don't really need a lot. So the active ingredient is obviously benzoyl peroxide, 10% of it, and this is the gel that you're supposed to apply topically, say on the breakouts, and you could also apply it on the areas, so to prevent or like heal or cure the blackheads, the black pores, the stuff, the blackheads, the whiteheads. So you do not need, or you pretty much can't use this product if you have sensitive skin or any irritation, if your skin is dehydrated. And if you've never ever used the benzoyl peroxide products before, I would recommend you to start with a lower percentage. I believe the other one they have is 5%. Do a little patch test, see how your face reacts, because with overuse you might really damage your skin barrier and you might develop allergy. And put the thumbs up as well. In this video we're talking about acne, the Alba Botanica brand with their AcneDote skin series. So I've already spoken about the scrub, body and face scrub by this company. So it's maximum strength. The active ingredient is salicylic acid in the amount of 2%. So it's supposed to be an acne treatment, which is really a good acne treatment. If you're using any other medicated products, like medication for your skin that you apply, you need to be extra cautious, because too many things might increase the dryness, the peeling, and the irritation, obviously. So what's good about this product is that it's using 100% vegetarian ingredients. It does not have any fragrance in it, parabens, like no synthetic things. It's also formulated with willow bark extract, which is amazing because it's also good for helping with the acne. So here, this is the acne. Oh my god, I probably forget to say what it is. It's the oil control lotion. The way you're supposed to use it, it's oil free obviously. Say if you are going out during the daytime, you could apply it on your T-zone whenever needed, to make sure that because it's really mattifying. It reduces the oiliness. If you want to use it just certain spots, again in T-zone, you could use it when you go to sleep. But what I have noticed is that if you really try to use it so many times, depending on the skin type, of course, provided your skin is not dehydrated, because if it is, you would get like even more dryness and develop the peeling. For the combination skin, I would avoid applying it on the cheek areas, because if these areas are normal for you. And this is it. Alba Botanica. It's supposed to be a natural product. It's made in New York. The shelf life is pretty long, 18 months. The container is real tiny, 2 ounces, but you don't really need to, really apply too much on your face. By the way, it could also be applied on your body, I believe. And if you like this video, please put the thumbs up. Any questions, let us know. Wish you all the best, and I'll see you later. Bye.